First things first, gather up 36 Oreo cookies. Once you have them, place them in a large plastic bag and let a rolling pin do the work of transforming these cookies into small, manageable pieces. If you're a fan of technology in the kitchen, a food processor will also do the trick, pulsing the cookies into perfect crumbs. Now let's bring in the milk, 4 cups to be precise. Combine this with the crushed Oreos in a large mixing bowl. Stir until the cookies are well soaked and the mixture starts to resemble a thick batter. Now it's time to layer the cake. Pour half of your Oreo mixture into a square or rectangular baking dish. An 8-inch dish is ideal for this. Smooth the layer using the back of a spoon or a spatula, and then spread half of the 8-ounce whipped topping over it. Repeat these steps with the remaining Oreo mixture, and finish off with a layer of the remaining whipped topping, smoothing it out evenly. Refrigerate the cake for at least 4 hours or even better overnight. This allows the cake to set properly and the flavors to meld together. The cookies will soften and the layers will firm up to form a cake-like consistency. Cut the cake into squares and serve. If you're feeling a little extra, sprinkle some additional crushed Oreos on top for decoration before serving. This recipe serves between 8 to 10 people, making it an ideal treat for family gatherings or simply a casual dessert. And there you have it, a Southern-style 3-ingredient Oreo cake. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.